Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7A and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply slide to the right, to the end, to the pro mode. So this mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar and with the first one button from the left. This is the white balance. So here we can control the temperature of our picture, and as you can see we can pick the tungsten light, then the daylight, white fluorescent light, cloudy light, and we have also access to this button at the end here. This is the slider where we can manage the temperature with Kelvin degrees manually, and as you can see by going to the left we can make our picture just more cold, and when we go to the right we can make it more warm. As you can see, this is how it works. We can also go back by tapping on this twice to the auto settings here at the beginning. So this is how it works here. And let's move to the next one button here. This is the focusing. So here we can change the autofocus to the manual focus. And this is how it works. By using this slider we can adjust the focusing here. And let's go to the next button. This is the shutter speed. So here we can change the time of taking picture, and we can pick from 1 and 1/1000 of seconds from the left, which is very short of taking picture. By going to the right we go to 32 seconds, which is very long, so this gives a lot of possibilities to making experiments, and this is really cool here. And let's go to the next one button. This is the ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and as you can see we have this slider. We can pick from 100 of ISO to 3200, so this is also pretty wide spectrum here, and this is how it works. We can also go back to the auto settings at the beginning. And let's move to the next one button here. By tapping on this we should have access to exposure compensation, but as you can see this is locked now because exposure compensation also controls the light of the picture, and this is locked when we have adjust manually these two parameters. So the shutter speed should be on auto to unlock this, or when we adjust the shutter speed the ISO should be on auto to unlock this exposure compensation. So remember about it, one of these two parameters should be on auto to unlock this. And as you can see here we have this slider. We can, by going to the right, make our picture just more bright. As you can see this is how it works, and by going to the left we can make it just more dark. So this is the light control here, and this is how it works. Now let's move to the settings here with app, and well, most of them is also available in the standard photo mode. We have these two buttons that are extra one here in the pro mode. So the first one is the metering. We can pick center weighted metering, frame average metering here, and also the spot metering. So this is how it works here. And the next one button is very interesting, and this is really cool in some of the Xiaomi devices. The first one option here is the focus picking, and as you can see it shows us these red signs. This is useful when we manually adjust the focusing, and as you can see it shows us where is the focus. So this is really helpful here to focusing correctly. And let's go to the next one. This is the exposure verification, and as you can see it shows us these signs also here. So this is useful when we have to adjust the exposure compensation correctly, and it shows us the areas where it's too bright or too dark. So the red color shows us where it's too light, and the blue color shows us where it's too dark. So this is really cool here. And also when we adjust all of these settings we may want to go back to the auto settings at the once. So we can do it by using this button here. By tapping on this we can reset all parameters to their default values. So okay, and as you can see all of these come back to the auto settings. For now I'm going to take a picture. And this is the preview here in the left corner at the bottom. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.